Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best dandruff shampoo is probably one of the most common issues that parents face when it comes to their children's hair care. Dandruff can be uncomfortable and sometimes lead to itching and irritation. In this video, we'll explore some of the top-rated dandruff shampoos for kids, helping you find the perfect solution to keep your child's scalp healthy and flake-free. Number 5. Cappy Medicated Shampoo and Body Wash. This is Cappy, a medicated shampoo and body wash created by a pediatrician. It's designed to gently help with cradle cap and dandruff. It's a great choice for your little one. This shampoo is formulated for sensitive skin. It's free of common irritants like fragrance, dyes, phthalates, and parabens. It's a face and body wash that helps with dandruff. Cappy is suitable for children of all ages. It's an over-the-counter wash specifically made to help with dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis. It's a versatile product for the whole family. Over 95% of the ingredients are plant-based. The medicated shampoo contains pyrithione zinc, which is proven safe and effective. It helps relieve flaking and redness. Gently massage it into the scalp in circular motions to relieve flaking and itchiness. Rinse thoroughly. Some users see results in as little as 1 or 2 washes, others after a few weeks of use. What we like. This shampoo was created by a pediatrician, ensuring it's gentle and effective for kids. It's formulated without harsh chemicals, perfect for sensitive skin. If your child suffers from cradle cap or seborrheic dermatitis, this is a great choice. You should consider this if you are looking for a gentle, medicated solution. What people say. We wash his hair 2 to 3 times per week, and every time we use this shampoo, we see improvement in the severity of his cradle cap. This worked well to finally get rid of my son's cradle cap. It causes no itchiness, in fact it got rid of her itchy scalp. Number 4. Fresh Monster Kids 2-in-1 Wash Ocean Splash. This Fresh Monster product is PETA certified cruelty-free, ensuring no animal testing. It's free from harsh chemicals like parabens, phthalates, and sulfates. This makes it a safe and affordable choice for your kids. The 2-in-1 Kids Shampoo and Body Wash is 100% toxin-free and plant-based. This gentle formula is tear-free and hypoallergenic, perfect for sensitive skin. It cleans kids from head to toe safely. This all-in-one bottle simplifies bath time with a single step for both shampoo and body wash. It makes cleaning up after a day of fun incredibly easy. It's a convenient solution for busy parents. This product helps kids enjoy bath time. The quirky monster design encourages kids to embrace their uniqueness. The easy grip bottle allows them to take charge of their own experience. The product comes in 2 8.5-ounce bottles with a refreshing ocean splash fragrance. It's a sulfate-free shampoo and body wash that brings the feeling of a day at the beach to your bathroom. What we like. This shampoo and body wash is toxin-free and hypoallergenic, making it safe for kids. The 2-in-1 formula simplifies bath time. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to clean your child from head to toe, this is the one. You should consider this if you want to make bath time fun and easy. What people say. Works great and smells, very light scent but smells good. Even after a big day of playing in the dirt, it him clean quick. It makes nice bubbles that last the duration of the bath. It doesn't have a strong smell, which is good, doesn't dry out my kids' hair at all. Number 3. Evereden Kids 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner. Introducing Evereden Kids 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner. This product is designed to gently cleanse and condition your child's hair. It features a megavitamin complex with essential omegas, amino acids, and vitamins. These ingredients work together to strengthen and condition the hair. Powered by non-toxic ingredients like maidenhair fern and wild thyme extracts. It provides a gentle, long-lasting cleanse, removing buildup from root to tip. Formulated with biotin and amino acids, this conditioner leaves hair feeling soft, smooth, and shiny. It's made safely for children and toddlers. Enjoy the delightful cool peach scent, with notes of peach and violet. This product is formulated with clean and gentle hair care ingredients. Created by doctors and dermatologists tested, you can trust that it is non-toxic, hypoallergenic, and clean. This product is made in the USA. What we like. This shampoo and conditioner is packed with a multivitamin complex to strengthen hair. It provides a gentle yet effective cleanse. If you like a product with a delightful scent, this is a great choice. You should consider this if you are looking for a product that leaves hair soft and shiny. What people say. Smells great and cleans well. Leaves hair feeling soft. Smells really good and works well. Smells so good and hair looks and feels so clean and soft. Love the look of the bottle and the natural ingredients. Number 2. Head Lice Shampoo with Rosemary and Tea Tree Oil. This clarifying shampoo is designed to eliminate buildup and excess oil. It uses essential oils to moisturize the scalp. It's a great way to keep your hair feeling fresh and clean. Avoid itchy scalp and flaking by choosing a shampoo with natural ingredients. Ditch the damaging sulfates found in artificial dandruff shampoos. This will help keep your scalp healthy. This purifying shampoo with tea tree oil provides a deep clean. It works to keep your scalp clear of impurities. Using this product makes protecting your hair easy. This kids shampoo uses rosemary essential oil to nourish the scalp. It's designed to address common hair concerns for children. Give your kids clean and healthy hair. This product uses plant-based ingredients to nourish the hair. It includes tea tree oil, rosemary, jojoba oil, keratin, and lavender essential oil. You can trust this for your kids' hair care. What we like. This shampoo uses essential oils to moisturize the scalp and clear away buildup. It contains tea tree oil for a deep clean. If you are looking for a natural solution for dandruff and itchy scalp, it's a great choice. You should consider this if you want to avoid harsh chemicals. What people say. It cleared up the dandruff patches in one use. This shampoo worked after one use. After one use, the amount of scale that came off her head was amazing. Number 1. Evereden Kids Shampoo, Detangling, 6.7 fluid ounces. This shampoo is made with argan oil and shea butter. These ingredients are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. They help protect hair from environmental stressors. The nourishing formula carefully cleanses, repairs, and strengthens hair. It leaves hair soft, shiny, and easy to manage. It's perfect for children ages 4 and up, and the whole family. This daily shampoo is ideal for all hair types, especially long hair that is prone to tangles. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin. This is a versatile product that can be used as a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner for kids. It depends on their hair type. Our products are created by doctors and dermatologists tested. You can trust that they are non-toxic, hypoallergenic, and clean. What we like. This shampoo is designed to detangle and hydrate hair, leaving it soft and manageable. It's suitable for all hair types, especially long hair. If your child has long hair that tangles easily, this is a great choice. You should consider this if you want a gentle, effective shampoo for the whole family. What people say. It keeps my daughter's hair healthy and shiny. It makes it easy to comb out even after the craziness of the hair dryer. It lifts out all the dirt and oil. I can see their hair is lighter after wash, but is gentle enough it doesn't bother their eyes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.